In today's episode, I chose another simple word that has proven a little difficult to my students. Listen to how stress shifts in this fourth family. Necessary, necessity, necessarily. Necessary means essential. Common collocations are: it is necessary to do something, to make something necessary for somebody, and if, when, or where necessary. For instance, I will stay up all night, if necessary, to get it finished. A very useful phrase is a necessary evil, which means something bad or unpleasant that you have to accept in order to achieve what you want. Imprisonment is a necessary evil to keep law and order in a society. The noun is necessity. Common collocations include absolute necessity and the bare or basic necessities. A lot of families cannot afford to buy the basic necessities of life. And finally, we have the expression necessity is the mother of invention, which is used to say that if someone really wants to do something, they will find a way of doing it. With the adverb necessarily, you have a commonly used collocation, not necessarily, which means possible but not certainly. For example, expensive restaurants are not necessarily the best.